In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Zoho Mail. First, open your preferred web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho account so you can access your inbox. Your display name is what recipients see in the From field when they receive your emails, so this quick update helps you present yourself or your brand clearly and professionally. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might show your initials or a small photo. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the menu, choose My Account. This opens your Zoho account settings, often in a new tab where you'll find your personal profile details and security options all in one place. In the Zoho account settings, navigate to Profile, then select Personal Information. This section controls what shows up across Zoho services, including your display name in Mail. Think of it as the central place where your name, photo, and basic contact details live. Now click Edit in the Personal Information area. This unlocks the field so you can make changes. You should see the display name field. Type the name exactly how you want it to appear to recipients. Many people choose to use standard capitalization and keep it simple and clear. For example, first name and last name or a professional variation. Avoid unnecessary punctuation or extra characters since those can look unprofessional or even trigger spam filters in rare cases. If you use a company or team name, keep it concise to ensure it fits neatly in inbox views. When you're happy with the change, click Save. Zoho will confirm the update and apply it to your account. This doesn't change your email address or how you sign in. It only changes the name shown to others when you send messages. In most cases, the update is immediate, though it can take a short time to reflect everywhere. A couple of helpful notes. If the edit option appears disabled, your organization might manage profile details centrally. In that case, you may need to contact your administrator to request the change. Also, if you use multiple Zoho services, your display name may appear consistently across them, which is useful for keeping your identity uniform on all platforms. That's all there is to it. By updating your display name here, you ensure every email you send looks polished, recognizable, and aligned with how you want to be seen.